Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today's video is going to be very special because I'm trying a totally different kind of a look for my Bhuvaneshwari Devi, and ideally this video I was supposed to release it during Navratri, and this video is specially for Garba dance, which is a traditional Gujarati style folk dance. So the kind of costume that I'm going to drape her with and the jewelries that I'm going to use for this alankaram is going to be exactly like that, which is being used for a Garba dance. I know this is going to be a very late video, but I think it's going to turn out really well. So please don't miss to watch this video till the end. And also, in case if you happen to like this jewelry and this dress, and if you really want to buy the entire set as it is, then please send me a WhatsApp message on this particular number and I'll be getting back to you. So the entire set as it is, it will be on sale just in case if you want it, and I just have 1 or 2 sets left. So please connect with me in case if you need this. To start with, for this alankaram, this is the dress that I'm going to use. You might be wondering that, the goddess or the god will not be actually draped with a black color dress. But, even in my house also, strictly we don't use black color. But what happened, I just inquired with a couple of priests, and they said that we can use black color for draping for the god or goddess as long as it has got additional colors with it. You should not be using plain white or plain black, but as long as it has got designs of some other color, then it should be fine and we can use it. And the main reason why I'm using black for this particular video is because I wanted the silver jewelry to outstand, okay? And for that I really needed a dark color dress, and there is nothing better than black when it comes to silver jewelry. And this particular dress I got it stitched from Kana Dresses, and here is a WhatsApp number of them just in case if you also want to buy a customized dress exactly like this. So the length of this dress is somewhere about 7.5 inches to 8 inches. So in case if you have got an idol of this size and if you need 8 inches dresses and exactly the same piece, then you can connect with me and I can give the same dress to you. So all the jewelry that I am going to use today, I have purchased it from Meesho, many of them, and one or two I have also purchased it from a local shop over here in Bangalore. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box just in case if you also want to purchase them, and if I don't have enough stock, so you can connect with Meesho and purchase them. And these are all very economical. Like one necklace will not cost you more than 150 to 200 rupees. And also what I have done is, this particular necklace actually had about 5 pendants, okay, and I have just adjusted this pendant in such a way that it is suitable for my idol by removing extra pendants. And the trick that I have used over here for the bangles is that each one of these bangles you are seeing, they are actually earrings. Okay, I've just taken the earrings, modified it, and I'm using it as bangles because fortunately my idol is big enough, and I can manage with the jewelry that come for us, that is human sized jewelries. And for Kajra, again I have taken earrings over here which come like this, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to fix it over here so that it looks exactly like a Kajra. And now there is a special kind of a hair wig that I have made for her, and this is the kondai that I have made. And the reason why I am going to use this kondai is because I have a very beautiful mang tika that I want to use, but then because my idol is of South Indian style and it has got a very slim and long crown, I won't be able to put the mang tika properly, and that is why I have made this kind of a kondai. Okay, let me just show you. At the back side it also has a bun, and this is how it looks. I'm going to release a video on this, on how to make this kondai, so you can just have a look at it and make it for yourself at your home. And that is it. We have completed draping her with the sari and the jewelry. And now to finish this look, the last thing is the dandiya sticks. So this completes the Garba look for my Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Doesn't she look totally different today? And even you can get each one of these dandiya sticks and the dresses and all customized except for the jewelry. The jewelry that I have used over here, as I said, it is that of a human size, the human size jewelry. And fortunately, because my idol is big enough, I am able to use the human size jewelry also for her. In case if you want to purchase the same kind of dandiya sticks and the dress, and in case if it is not available with me, then you can connect with this particular WhatsApp number and she'll be able to help you in getting everything customized for you except for the jewelry. So this completes today's video. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.